An arraignment was held this morning for 22-year-old Rachel Downer of Bemidji. Downer was arrested in connection with the death of the 6-year-old girl who froze to death outside a Bemidji apartment on February 27th. A criminal complaint was also released today, detailing what happened to Mercedes Mayfield on the night of her death. According to the criminal complaint, on the day before the incident on February 26, the victim's mother, Malika Peoples, said her daughter came home around 5 in the afternoon from after-school activities. Rachel Downer, the victim, and the victim's family ate together that night at the apartment on Carter Circle. The report states Peoples was taking pain medication for an injury, and she went to bed after eating. Peoples believed Downer was going to stay and spend the night again at her apartment. But in the criminal complaint, Downer said she told Peoples, who is her aunt, that she was going to take Mayfield to stay with her at her apartment on Pine Ridge Avenue in Bemidji. Downer stated that she later changed her mind but did not tell Peoples about the change. In the report, Downer said she gathered her belongings and Mayfield helped carry her items to her car. Downer stated that Mayfield closed the security door to the apartment complex lightly so that it would not latch. After the car was loaded, Downer said she watched Mayfield enter the building before she drove off. Peoples woke up the next morning at 6 and noticed her daughter and Downer were not in her apartment. Peoples later found her daughter outside the apartment complex. The criminal complaint stated Mayfield appeared to be stiff and frozen and was unresponsive. Emergency officials pronounced Mayfield dead at the scene. Authorities say Mayfield died from hypothermia. Overnight conditions at the time were around 27 degrees below zero, with a wind chill of 40 degrees below. While I was in court during the arraignment this morning, Downer was crying when the judge read the criminal complaint to her. Downer's bail was set at $100,000, but District Court Judge Paul Benschoof released Downer on her own recognizance.
If you've enjoyed this segment of Lakeland News, please consider making a tax-deductible contribution to Lakeland Public Television.